And this is the Amana Air Conditioner. So you can see it looks sort of like a carry-around one. I've made videos on this before, links are in the description. It's pretty quiet. Three fan blades, a Emerson fan motor, and I think it's a Bristol compressor. Not sure what year this is from. I think it might be 2001. It's a straight cool unit. I think it's about 3 tons. The CC of the you have your line sets here, nice and warm. This one is cold, but it's not sweating yet. See, the data sheet is completely worn off. Your disconnect box. Yeah, so overall it's a very nice unit. Go take a look at the indoor unit for a second. Alright, here is the indoor unit. It's a 1979 70% efficient Fetters gas furnace. The air conditioner was added in later. April air humidifier. Yeah. There's the line sets coming in up there. The coil is in there. It's a condensate pump, which is new as of last month. Here. Space Guard high efficiency air cleaner, filter box, humidifier transformer, and this is the automatic pilot relay. So on these older furnaces, they actually have a pilot light in there, right there, that lights the furnace, and sometimes it'll go out. So this little thing senses when it goes out and relights it by itself. It's pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.